Sometimes one sincere gathering with the right teacher can change how we understand our faith. Today's reminder is about benefiting from scholars and people of knowledge. Inviting scholars and benefiting from them. Another meaningful opportunity during Ramadan is to invite knowledgeable and respected scholars, experts in their fields, to our mosque or community gatherings, especially after Taraweeh or morning prayers, so that we may benefit from their guidance. Such meetings allow hearts to reconnect with authentic knowledge, deepen understanding, and inspire better practice. Learning directly from qualified teachers strengthens both faith and community, making Ramadan a time not only of worship but also of intellectual and spiritual growth. Even a short session of sincere advice or teaching can leave a lasting impact, helping individuals refine their character and renew their intention toward Allah. Knowledge shared in blessed moments carries lasting light. Seek gatherings of wisdom. Learn from those grounded in knowledge. Let Ramadan elevate both heart and mind. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. Have you attended a Ramadan talk that inspired you? Subscribe to Light of Iman for day 21 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah grant us beneficial knowledge and righteous teachers. Āmīn.